Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we talk about knitting, crochet and other crafts, and if you're like me and you like to do stuff with your own hands, this is the right place for you. So today I decided to make little projects, so if you want to start your journey in the knitting or crochet or whatever, this will be more like crochet actually. I think it will be really nice and are little quick accessories, more like Coquette style maybe, that it's really trending right now, so probably you will already seen this type of accessories, but yes, so we are doing that today because why not? So this way you can make your own, and yeah. So guys, we have the flower thing, so this is how it looks. And now what I'm going to do, I will use these ends to put the flower together. So first we did half double crochet or not. no, I'm sorry, we did a double, not double, oh my god, we did a single crochet row, which is this one here, and this is where we are going to pick up the stitches so we can put the flower together, and so she can look very much like this. And then I will add the chain, I think the chain cord, so you can tie it all around your neckline, not neckline, the neck. But I also saw some pictures on Instagram that you can put these all around your waist, and I think it looks really nice, especially in jeans. So yeah, I will take care of the ends and we can talk later. So when you finish, it should look like this, and now we are going to take care of this too. So Hi guys, so I'm back. I already finished everything, including the ends of the yarn, which is a part that I don't like that much. So we are going to try it on, yay! I'm sorry guys, I'm a little bit excited. So I've seen this all the Pinterest and Instagram and stuff. So this is like a little choker thing, and then you can just give it a knot. And I like the effect with long cord, because then you even can just leave it like this, or just pull a little bit on the side, or even you can do like a ribbon. Let me just try. See if I can do this on camera. And then you can just pull this a little bit, and look at this. Just trying, just okay. Let me get the table to the sun. I think this is really cool. I just did a tiny flower because, you know, I think it's more versatile and you can style it as you want. So I think it looks really cool. So yeah, it goes like this. And I really like it. I think it's a really nice accessory, and it can just give a little touch to the look, and also it's really quick and easy. So we just have wings here. So I really like this one, and I will try the next one. Then you know that Coquette style and stuff like that, it's really trending right now, and I don't know, I just really like it. I really like the vibe, even though it's not really my style. I think that we can mix together with other stuff, and I really like to see contrasts in fashion, or just at my work, or in my own personal style. So I did a ribbon choker like this. So this is cute, guys. So yeah, you know, it's really easy. Let me see. Oh my god, this is so cute. Just trying not to put my hair in this. Oh my god, guys. Wait. As well, you can style this whatever, however you want, guys. I really love it, and I think, yeah, like the other one, it just gives a little touch to the outfit. And then as well, we have the long cord here. So yeah, I don't know if I mentioned yet, but you can add these to your jeans or your trousers. I really like to see it on jeans, because I think it's just a nice contrast. So yeah, it's really nice. Let me try on my trousers right now, which are not jeans, by the way, but I really have to buy a good pair of jeans and just a basic pair, and you can add a little details and accessories and you're ready to go. So let me just see with this. And I still have this jacket that oh, this one doesn't have the things. No! Okay. This one doesn't have, I don't know how to say it in English, even though I studied in London. So I really wanted to have a better pair of trousers to show you guys. I think I will add some pictures in, probably. So you can have it like this, or let's try with the flower. I'm curious now. Or like even maybe on a dress, or I don't know, but I think on a dress would look better with the flower thing. Guys, I'm not going to tie it, but alright, or will I? Probably. And you can do as well with ribbon thing. These trousers are a low waist, so also doesn't help. Guys, definitely with jeans looks better, but you get it, right? Or even if you have like a dress, and then this would be much longer, because yep. So I think now let me try it. Now that I'm here, we can try it. Guys, it's really cool. So yeah, so with the I-cord you basically chain 3 stitches, and then you go and pick up the 2 stitches that you did before, and you will keep the 3 loops on your needle. So basically what you are going to do is hold the 2 first stitches, and then you basically do a loop on the last one, and then you pick up one of them and do a little loop again and crochet basically, and then you pick up the last one and crochet. After you finish that, you will pick again the 2 first stitches and go all around, and that is going to create this round shape. Probably I can do a video more detail on this, but basically is that this one is a little bit more tricky to explain like this. So yeah, you can add this on your braids, on your jeans, on your bags. So I will make one more of these because I want to have the option when I do the 2 braids to use it. But yeah, for now I will use it on my bag, so I'm just going to add this here. Don't judge my ribbing because I don't know how to make ribs. Like those really nice ribbons. Not ribs, ribbons, I'm sorry. So you can add on your bag like this. It's really cute, it's really nice, and just, sorry about lighting, just gives a little something. It's really nice. So if I would have those little loops to put the belt on my jeans, I would, but I think it's really nice, and it's just a nice detail that you can do, or just for you or for a friend if you want. And yeah, so now let's put this aside. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'm just trying to be open and experiment because I love to do it. So I just put that away for a while, and now I want to bring it back. And also I hope that I can help you a little bit on your crochet, knitting, or other craft journey. So if you like this video or you like to see more, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I really hope, I will say this probably every time, but I really hope that we can create a community here to share and to give some advices together. And yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!